Hey everybody, I hope you're having a good day. Today we are going to work on subtracting within 1,000 using the standard algorithm, or sometimes I like to call it stacking. First, I'm going to write my equation. We're going to solve 865 minus 231. Make sure that when you're writing your equations, you're lining up the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. If you don't line them up carefully, you might wind up with the wrong answer. All right, so when I start my subtraction equation, I'm always going to begin in the ones place. Sometimes I like to cover up the rest so that I can clearly look at what I'm subtracting. So in the ones place, I have 5 minus 1. There's more on top, no need to stop. I don't have to regroup on this one. I can easily solve 5 minus 1, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So in the ones place, I will write my answer. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay? Now I'm going to move to the tens place. In the tens place, I have 6 minus 3. There's more on top, no need to stop. I don't have to regroup. 6 minus 3, we know that from our math facts, is 3. And in the hundreds place, I have 8 minus 2. More on top, no need to stop. I don't have to regroup. 8 minus 2 is 6. Pretty easy. Let's do another equation. Let's do 999. Big number, minus 642. Again, make sure you're lining up your ones, tens, and hundreds carefully. I'm going to start in the ones place. 9 minus 2, there's more on top, no need to stop. I can subtract that easily. 9 minus 2 is 7. Line up that ones place. In the tens place, 9 minus 4. There's more on top, no need to stop. I do not have to regroup. 9 minus 4 is 5. And last, the hundreds place, 9 minus 6. There's more on top, no need to stop. 9 minus 6 is 3. 999 minus 642 equals 357. That answer, or the difference is what we would call it, would make sense. All right, let's look at some problems where we have to regroup. First equation, let's do 235 minus 119. 119. All right, again, I'm going to always start in the ones place. And I look at the ones and I have 5 minus 9. If you try to take away 9 from 5, you don't have enough. So what we say is there's more on the floor. We have to go next door to get 10 more. So we're going over, next door is the tens place. And I'm going to move a 10 to the ones. So I'm going to cross out both of my numbers. The 3 changes to a 2. It goes down one number, and I'm moving it next door. So that 5 turns to 15. Do you see how I took a 10 and I just moved it over here? Now I can solve 15 minus 9 is 6. Then I go to the tens place. 2 minus 1, I can do that. There's more on top, no need to stop. 2 minus 1 is 1. And last, we have in the hundreds place, 2 minus 1, again, is 1. So 235 minus 119 equals 116. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 455 minus 238. We always start in the ones place, and we have 5 minus 8. Hold up 5 fingers. Now try to take away 8. Can you do that? No, you don't have enough fingers. So what we're going to do is go next door to the tens place and get 10 more. So I jump over to the tens. I'm going to move 1 10 over. So if I move 1 over, my 5 turns to a 4. And my 5 in the ones place turns to a 15. Does that make sense? Now we're going to do 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then I'm going to subtract in my tens place. 4 tens minus 3 tens is just 1. And then on my hundreds place, I've got 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 455 minus 238 equals 217. Now I want you to try it.